show. What is this, Brianna?
Picture for my dad.
A picture for your dad?
Yeah.
That's a nice picture. Can you show Daddy all the parts of the picture?
Okay.
So what is that a picture of?
The moon and the cloud and the star and the star and the star and the star and the cloud and the cloud and a star.
And you made that for who?
For my dad.
For your dad? Well, that was very nice. Can you hold it still so we can see it on the video? Oh, my goodness. Wow, Brandy, you did a nice job. Here, you got to stand here. Do you want to say anything else to your daddy?
I would say all the parts of him.
Okay, show Daddy.
Dad, here's your picture. And when you come home, and I will give it to you. And